Alright, hey guys, today's going to be a pretty simple video. This is just pretty much an unboxing, hands-on view at the LAX 300G from Stabila. It's a double cross laser with a plumb bob as well. It's also green, hence the G at the end of the name. Now I found there was lacking videos on the internet showing this laser off that wasn't like a promotional video. So basically this is going to be an unboxing. Like one of those feels good in the hand tool reviews, because I don't know what else to do except just open it and show it to you. I have not opened this yet. Smells like Germany. Wait up. What? Germany? But yet made in China? Oh. Oh, well, one can still dream, right? So I presume this will be our laser itself. What else have we got in here? Paper. We don't need paper. Paper grows on trees. Oh, there's some picture guides. Don't need those. Warning stickers in like every language. I like it. Oh, our laser focus. I don't know what the hell you call these. Laser guides. 3 batteries. Comes with batteries. I just want to call this like the nailing plate. So I guess you'd nail this onto a wood structure, so then you can stick your magnet onto it. The magnets that are built into the laser. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at her. Ooh, she's snug in there. Woo! 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 Look at that. That feels kind of cheap, that little lever right there. Feels pretty cheap. So, I know a little bit about this laser before I purchased it. So anyways, in this state, boop, boop. This is your battery cover. It's in the off locked position. Turn it around, exposes your lasers. Hit this little cam lever. Open it up, drop it down. There's your laser. So let's plop some batteries in this guy. Ooh, oh, there we go. That was more difficult than it should have been. I don't know, my first laser. So I thought I'd drop the $400, well it was a little bit less than 400 Canadian on this guy. Because all my buddies at work are all rocking like their DeWalt, or as people on the internet I like to watch, call it default lasers. And they only make one in about 170 bucks for a red one. That's either the crosses or a plumb bob. You can never get both in one. And this guy has all the features I wanted in one. So I was like, you can pay a little extra. It's a really good name brand, even though somehow she's made in China. So we'll have to deal with that. Oh, look at that. Sort of giving us green lines. Alright, so all the lasers are on. And now there's this little button right on the side that will change which lasers are on. Do this smoothly for you guys. Cross, vertical, plumb. Which one's going to turn off next? Turns off top 2. Now it's just plumb and here. Okay, so I guess the plumb and the vertical appear to be on the same guy, but it's very apparent where the plumb dot is within the straight line, which is all you really care about, right? Let's see, where's that cross at? Oh, there it is. Alright. And then hit the off button, which also locks the pendulum in place. Turn it on. All wiggly and stuff in there. Locks right in place. Beauty. Boom, boom, boom. Hide the lasers. Hit this cheap ass little cam. It doesn't feel as good in the hand as I wanted it to. Yeah, there we go. Feels good in the hand in view. Comes with this little base, but that's just a, I believe, 1/4 inch thread. So it'll thread onto pretty much any tripod and such. So let's turn the lights dim and take a little bit better look at this for you guys. Focus. Focus. Wow, that looks cool. You guys can't really see it. That's a pretty damn sharp laser line through here. It's weird because this is my windshield in my truck. There's a reflection in the ceiling, but we can't see it anyways. There's a cross. It's very apparent where the plumb is above it and below it. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not sure what else to say about this guy. So far I'm pretty impressed for the price. Oh, Mr. Phone rings. So, of course, I'm gonna like chicken, or at least getting there. And this is why I bought it for building tray, doing lights, whatever have you. It's a standard dot laser, I guess. So I mean it blinks if it's not level. Reading off the spec sheet here, it can go up 5 degrees in any direction and still self-level. It is visible at 100 feet, says the box. I believe it's 1/8 accurate at 50 feet, where all the other pretty much comparable lasers are at 30 feet. So that's nice. My plan was to buy this Amazon Basics camera case, kind of a knockoff Pelican case here I have, and put the laser in the foam, and that's how I'd carry it in my job box, so it wouldn't just get rattled around. It also came with this nice case, which I expected something, but this is nice and tight, so I mean I'll probably put it in here and then carve her out in here and have like the laser guide, some batteries, all the goody stuff in here to go with it. And then I can just huck that in a case, you know, driving down the highway, you know, it won't get screwed. So just gonna put her in here, and yeah, and boom, would you look at that? Boom, boom, batteries, nail plate, whatever you want to call that, guide, and the laser, all protected, nicely to put in the job box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, I know this wasn't like a on-the-job tour review or anything, it was more like an unboxing and like first look. So, you know, don't be too hard on me just because of that. But any questions, I'll answer them. Other than that, have you guys yourself a good day.